Nothing makes your home look more stylish at night like beautiful accent LED light. But strip and rope lights are expensive and can be difficult to install. Well, here's the solution to it all. Introducing the Bell & Howell Bionic LED color-changing tape light. It goes on like tape for gorgeous LED light anyplace. The handy remote lets you choose from 16 different colors and 4 different modes. Watch, just unroll, tape, and trim. You can even adjust from bright to dim. Bionic LED tape light is the best way to add light anywhere in your kitchen. Backlight your TV to add style to your big screen, or under a bed for extra decorative light at night. The flexible design cuts just like tape and installs around any shape. Add to furniture or behind trim for a colored glow that you'll be proud to show. Create beautiful dream light to help them sleep through the night. It's USB powered, so you can plug it into any wall or portable charger. Plus, the all-weather design is waterproof. Decorate your outdoor kitchen or bar. Enhance your car interior or boat. Upgrade your golf cart or add style to your motorcycle. In music mode, they light up for a great show. Instead of light that's way too bright, Bionic LED provides light that's just right.